We're going to do this job. Me and Max are going to do a job. We're going to cut some grass. We've got a little bit of grass to cut, you know. There's a track up in there, you know. There's some grass to cut. Apparently, we've let it go a little bit while we've been busy. Other things. And, yeah, we're going to tidy up all this. That'll be easy. That stuff will be easy. Down here might be a bit more interesting. That's going to be a bit interesting. Yeah. That'll be another weekend. That'll be a different. Yeah. We might be able to get some of this through here. But we're going to get a bit of a shot of this. See, we get a drone shot just to see what we can sort of before and after, you know. I'll be able to get some of that. I'll be able to reclaim all this. This is all. I normally do this with the mower, but it's getting a bit long with the mower even. Yeah, the mower went through there a few weeks ago. Not too bad. It's a bit nice. The mower's done that just recent weeks, you know, well, maybe a month ago. This doesn't mean nothing. 4 and 8 or something. That's going to be interesting. That'll be interesting. We'll make it like that. We'll make it all nice like that. Over here, we've got a hill in here. We'll see what the slope of the Razorback will do. There. Here we go. Exciting, eh, Max? Don't really like loud noises, though, do you? Do you? You don't like loud noise? Yeah. Who's that? Who's that? Do you know? Do you know that? Okay, we'll go get this drone up in the air. See, we don't know how to fly a drone. We've done it a couple of times. Crashed it once. You know, you think someone that knows how to fly a helicopter should be able to fly a drone, right? But it's not. It's not that easy. It's not like that. It's not like that. So let's find somewhere to fly this drone from. Where are you, Max? I don't know where to park. I sort of want to be in the shade, but I sort of want to be able to see. Hard to know, isn't it? Wow. Okay, so the first thing we need to do with this puppy here, I've been down and I've taken a couple of before shots with the drone, and I tell you what, she's pretty rough footage, because it's probably only my third flight, you know, and she's a bit shaky. So what I need to do now is I've got to run through this thing, make sure, just familiarise myself with it, make sure everything's up to, you know, all the oils and the blades and all that sort of stuff, check out where all the controls are, and see if I need to adjust it to suit myself, you know, to get the right positions. You can recline all the seat and all this sort of thing. We got a few couplings to grease by the look of that. Got a few things to do, you know, just to check it over, and then we'll go and give it a run, put it through its paces, find out what doesn't go. But this thing here, this is that is the original level meter, so you know what angle you're on, but it's a little bit hard to sort of, like, you need a rear vision mirror here to be able to see what angle you're on. I mean, you'll be flipped over by that stage. I'm going to remove this. We don't really need this. But what I'm actually thinking is that this looks like a great place to mount the GoPro. Well, it's not a GoPro, it's a DJI Osmo action camera, because, you know, they were recommended as the better ones by a bloke, old Marty T. He said, no, he said the other ones. And these are the ones that don't play up. They don't get an issue with you locking up and stuff like that, SD card errors and all that sort of thing, overheating. I've never had. I mean, I've run this thing over with the grader, the old road grader. Where is that? Up there. Yeah. Did you see that one? That was exciting. So I reckon this magnet thing will go up onto there. That'll be not a bad angle. You know, we'll see what we're going through. We'll get that taken off. See where those wires go. We might leave the wires connected in case we want to use it for a 12 volt something. A little bit of automatic transmission fluid up so that we can see if we can reclaim a little bit of that red on here. Red's a hard colour to try and keep good. It oxidises pretty good. My orange bulldozers always oxidise pretty fast. Oh yeah, that's coming off. I reckon that'll buff off. Or you just might give it a bit of use and it might be all good. This is the most awesome thing. This has actually come off. It actually bounced off the back of the tailgate on the bushbacker. And yeah, the tailgate went up and came down, whack, and that's when it jumped off. This whole deal jumped off. Went under the oh, that's not going to stick on there. Oh no, that's aluminium. Oh dear. Took that off for nothing. Alright. But yeah, it jumped off and went under the thing. But it's like, as far as sticking to metal, you know, pretty good. Pretty good, not bad. I need to make a chunk of metal to go there. Do I? Is that what's going to be best? Is this the best angle? It's not bad, eh? It's not bad. Not bad, yeah. What can you see? Yeah, I want to be able to see. I want to be able to see the roll meter. Yeah. That's not bad. Yeah, here somewhere. I want to be able to see the roll meter. I'm going to have to make a steel plate to go there, aren't I? I could put it in the centre now. I could put it in the centre. What do I need to do to make that happen? I could utilise this somehow. I could utilise that somehow. This is number 30 of the roll cages. So they've only made 30. When this one was out 3 years ago, they'd have made 30 of these roll cages. How about that? Now it looks like I've got a little Hella output there, but I don't think it's hooked up to anything. That'll be a handy thing for the sprayer. I'll put a sprayer on the back. And the little place I can put a tow hitch here, that's where the optional tow hitch goes. So I can make a little bit of angle line here. What have I got lying around? I'll find a bit of heavy duty angle and we'll get the show on the road. That fluid's right, that's the hydraulic fluid. We have had a look at the filter already. Fuel looks like it's at least half of something. There is a dipstick down in here and it's full with clean oil. I don't know about you, but I'm sort of itching now. Itching to have a go. Should we just do it? Let's just do it, eh? Let's just do it. Right, so you're supposed to be on here with the park brake on, locked in. Don't know if you need it locked in. I got a bit of choke here. Where's choke? Yep. Maybe you do need that one locked in.